how to change Shopify app icon. Welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're using Shopify app and you want to change the app icon on your device, then here is how you can do it. First of all, open the Shopify application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Shopify, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the hamburger menu button. Now click on the settings button at the bottom. Click on app icon on the next page and you'll see a list of app icons you can choose from. Choose the app icon you'd like to update for your Shopify app on your smartphone. I'm just going to choose this yellow one over here. Now you have successfully changed the app icon for Shopify. Now if you go back to your home page or your app drawer, you should see the Shopify app icon changed to your preference. So that is how it's super easily done. You can always switch back to the Shopify app icon if you want the previous app icon or anyone else from this category over here. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.